Good afternoon. It is May 14th, 2025. And today we had a range day. We're just working in a broad bear channel. So if you go to the higher time frame, it's very clear. Uh, you know, past couple days we were in this spike in bull channel. And right now we're just working in a broad bear channel. So we could break out to the low side, or we could break out to the high side and create another big bull move. But anything can happen. Always remember that. But today, just a broad bear channel. So I think when you come in the morning, you'd probably be looking at this range that I have these Fibonacci levels at, until you saw that this is a broad bear channel. So let's see, 4 o'clock. You know, 5 o'clock, you're all the way up here. You're probably looking to sell. And so if you're looking at this 2700 tick chart, we don't have a gap below the EMA here. I don't remember where I was talking. Okay, so we didn't gap below the EMA here, but we're flipping back and forth. So I could understand why someone might be a little nervous to take a short, but that's what you're looking for here. And if not, perhaps you go long here or right here. You could do that. But definitely when you get this doji followed by this other doji, I think you want to take profits because you're at the highs. And when you get this bear bar, I think that's a solid place to short. And it turns out to be a very great move. You get a lower high. I don't see why you should not enter that. I mean, thing is, you have a big bear body, doji, big bear body, doji, big bear body. So you might be a little hesitant. And you're going into a potential level of support here, but I think that's a decent overall place to enter. So this is very sideways too, so I'm going to drag this over. And I do like a couple of these buy setups. I like this one. Turns out that doesn't do a whole lot for you, which is unfortunate. I like this one. You get a little bit of a move out of that, especially this one. These two, you have plenty of room back to the EMA. Then you come down here. We now have a gap above the EMA here. So we come down, you get a nice bull bar. It'll probably go back to the EMA. You don't know that, but especially because this looks like it could be a bear channel, but it does work. And then you get like a double test of this 50% area before it sells off, and it traps all these people thinking we're selling off for the day. Bounces, and I think you could consider going short somewhere in here, and then we bounce right here. I mean, you could consider going long here. I like that. This looks like a channel. And just not a lot, not really any great setups in there, but plenty of flip-flopping today that you could have gotten in on. So let's take a look at the daily chart. Right as of right now, 12:30, it's an inside bar. And that's another thing is these sell-offs, people buy them. People buy down here because that they're hoping that we get another bull bar. So that's something you want to keep in mind. There's the daily chart. Here's how the weekly chart's looking. And here's how the monthly chart's looking. I'll leave it on this daily chart. Hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.